So today we're going to cover a couple more words, very important academic words that are going to come up in our readings. We've already covered benefit and economy, and today we're going to begin with international. So please put your finger on the word international and check your partner to make sure he or she is in the right place. Okay, the word is international. If you can all say it with me. International. Say it one more time. International. Now, international is a really big word, and so I'm going to clap it out into syllables and would like for you to clap it out with me. International. International.
International.
Great. International is an important academic word that also has a Spanish cognate. So if Yami, would you mind telling us what the Spanish cognate is?
Internacional.
Thank you. What I would like for you to do next is to please rate this word. You're going to rate it a number 1 if you don't know it at all, a number 2 if you have seen it before, or a number 3 if you know it and you use it and you can come up here and teach it to the class. So please show me on your fingers how you rated this word. Okay, good. So international means relating to 2 or more countries. And if you can write this definition in your book, that would be great. So an example of international, what we've learned about is child labor. And child labor doesn't just happen in the United States. It happens in Pakistan, it happens in Mexico, it happens all over the world. So in your books, you have an example. Child labor is an international problem. It happens all over the world. So if you guys could read that with me. Child labor is an international problem. It happens all over the world. Fantastic. I want you to say the word one more time with me. International. So if I could go on an international vacation, I would go to Mexico and Australia. So if you guys can read my sentence with me. If I could go on an international vacation, I would go to Mexico and Australia. So what I want you to do right now is to be thinking about if you could go on an international vacation this summer, what 2 countries would you want to go to? So think about that for a minute. And what I want to have happen is I want number 1s to go ahead and use my sentence starter and tell number 2s where you would go on an international vacation. What 2 countries would you go to? So go ahead and tell your partner.
If I could go on an international vacation, I would go to El Salvador.
If I could go to an international vacation, I will go to El Salvador and Japan.
Alberto, can you tell me what your partner or where you would like to go on an international vacation?
If I could go on an international vacation, I will go to El Salvador and Japan.
Fantastic. Japan. I would love to go to Japan. And Christian, would you mind sharing where you would go on an international vacation if you could?
If I could go on an international vacation, I would go to Guatemala and Hawaii.
Fantastic.